Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to fix page isn't available right now on Facebook. So this can be for both iPhone or Android. Now be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever we upload a new video. Now be sure to tune in to the entire video so that you don't miss a single detail. So here are a few things that you can go ahead and try out. So the first method that we can go ahead and do is to connect to a VPN. So what we can do is we can go ahead and look for a VPN, or if you already have a VPN, go ahead and turn it on. So you can go into your App Store or your Google Store to go ahead and select a VPN right here. So you can go ahead and choose any of these VPNs that you want and then turn it on, and then go ahead and try opening Facebook once again. If that does not work, then what we can do is, of course, we need to make sure that we are on the latest version of Facebook. So the developers themselves will be debugging any of these if there are any encounters of this. So make sure to check out that your current Facebook application is up to date. And another thing, if that does not work, what we can do is we can go right on ahead and check Down Detector. So Down Detector allows us to take a look if there are any issues in terms of the servers of Facebook itself. So this will allow us to see if we are unable to connect to the servers within Facebook. And one last thing that we can do is we can go right on ahead and install an older version. So just uninstall Facebook and then go into the browser and then type up older versions of Facebook. So for this one, this is only available for Android, and unfortunately this is not available for iOS. So let's go into Android APKs free right here, or even the up to down one, whichever version that you want. So this is the latest version that is currently installed on my Facebook. What we're going to do is we can scroll down and then just go ahead and choose an older version of Facebook. So let's say we'll choose this one. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and download the APK. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and download the APK and then download the older version of Facebook. And that's it for the video.